Let me give y'all a quick little understanding. I'm the first one to really do it out here in the Bay like this. This here is burgundy suede. This here, a lot of people ask me about this. This is PPF red wine forged carbon fiber hood. We running 22 inch wheels by 11.5 in the front and 22 by 12. These are SF10 stance wheels. Paid a pretty penny for them things. But yeah, this is how we sitting. Just a quick little walk around. We got the little anime stuff going on with the little pinstripes and whatnot. And then on this side, I left it a little plain Jane. Got the tail lights also wrapped in honeycomb carbon fiber, as well as the headlights as well. And then as we go into the cockpit, woo, got her clean today. So we got the honeycomb carbon fiber steering wheel. As y'all can see, such a beautiful thing. Get that little start up. Yo. How I like the driver. This is my setup there. I like the suspension in sport. Track is just way too bouncy for me. But, you know, a little bit of that. Then we go to the hood. There's nothing too crazy that's going on in here. Pretty much just AFE, carbon fiber intake. We got the JLT catch can, and then I also have a bigger fuel pump. And it's also on the street tune. I did have a 95mm throttle body, but for some reason it went out, so I had to put the stock one back on. And it is also, the ECU is unlocked, so I can rev up like crazy, and it is on the street tune. But I'm about 500 to the crank. I don't know what the wheel horsepower it is, but it gets going. Just wanted to show y'all. Oh, also I wrapped the pillars in that as well. Just thought I'd give y'all a quick little walk around. And then the Widebody kit is by Widow Kits. If y'all don't know who that is, that's who I got the kit from. Everything on this Durango has been installed by me. Besides the wheels, I bought the wheels from Florida. The Widebody kit I did install myself, the wrap myself, of course. The steering wheel myself. Of course, the mats, just slap those in there. Put the intake on there. So most of this stuff that's done to this car, I do myself. Lip, etc. Yeah, just thought I'd give y'all a little tour. Quick little P-up-V ski. Y'all really hear it. Gotta go get some gas eventually. But yeah, we're slapping that, you know, my dirt. Shit, you don't know. We are out here in San Leandro, aka the Bay Area. About to slide through Oakland town business. So right now I'm gonna just put it in D. But yeah, so I like to go over here. This is my setup. Everything is in track. I like the suspension. I like to keep the suspension in sport because I don't like it too bouncy. She does get going. We haven't really had any really hot weather, so the tip right now, it's 70, but it's not too hot. But for the most part, she runs. She is on a street tune right now. So we're about 500 to the crank. I don't know what we are pushing to the wheels, but I'm about to bounce up on this freeway. Follow me on the gram, you know, like, subscribe for sure. Follow me on the gram at KJ WRAPZ KJ Raps. Just cruising. It is a little bit of traffic around this time. You know, don't really want to cut up too much. A lot of people ask me, is the drone when you're driving crazy? Because I do have a mid muffler delete. I don't have an HRX pipe. I don't have anything besides the mid muffler delete. I have the regular mufflers and everything else in the back. Just got rid of the mid. But everyone asks me, bro, what exhaust do you run? It's all fucking stock. It was just like, bro, it doesn't sound stock at all. Because mine, I did the same thing. Mine don't sound like yours. I'm just like, shit, I don't know. I went to Minute Mufflers out in East Oakland by Eastmont. So that's where I went and got mine. Maybe you should take it to get yours done. But the drone doesn't sound bad. A lot of people don't want to get their cars, get their SRTs with a mid muffler because, oh, does it sound bad? I mean, y'all hear it. Doesn't matter what you do to your vehicle. When you get any type of exhaust, you're always going to hear some type of drone. But downshift. That's dope. My shit's not tuned to do that. I don't know why it does that, but I figured it out. I don't know why it does that. I was going through a tunnel one time and I had the RPMs exactly where they were, like 55, 6,000. And I heard it do that and I tapped the gas and it just started. Bah, bah, bah. Oh, look, another Durango. What's up, buddy? Yeah, I don't know why it does that. I didn't get it tuned for it to spit or pop. It just does that when I get on it and let off and just start tapping it. I think it's pretty dope. But my boy out in, I think he's out in Baltimore. He said his does the same exact thing. So, I don't know. If somebody else is doing it, you know, let me know in the comments. Just cruising. I'm gonna do another video probably sometime next week. Probably just going through the city, let y'all get, you know, certain people's reactions if we can get some people, because this rap that's on here right now, as y'all saw earlier, people be like, damn, yesterday I was coming from San Ramon from working out and I got full calls back to back. People were just like, bro, your car is so fucking clean. You know, I guess they ain't never seen nothing like that. Definitely not there in that area. They're so used to, you know, supercars and whatnot, not really Mopars. And definitely mine is, you know, 101. Wide body wheels, wrap. So you don't really see stuff that's really wrapped out there pretty crazy. But yeah, what's that up over there? He gonna be turning though. Is that a Shelby or just a regular 5.0? It's a nice little wrap. Let's see what he gonna try to do. What's up? I don't think he wanted. I don't think he want the smoke. He gonna fall back. It's a nice little wrap though. Mustangs be running though. They got some crazy ass top end. They ain't gonna leave me, but they got some pretty decent top end if it's a 5.0. GT350s. Definitely ain't fucking with them. GT 500s will absolutely gut me. Somebody be chilling on the highway. Get a little pull. Cut this video off. Stay tuned for the next one. And if y'all do have any comments, let me know what y'all want to see. I might start doing, POVs a little often here and there. Oh, we got a little stinger. Let's see if you want to do a pull or something. Stingers, if you get them things tuned, they can get going for real. Them little 6.0s, well not 6.0s, but them V6s with the little turbos, they get going for sure. But yeah, if y'all have any comments on what y'all want to see, I'm out here in the Bay Area, so hey, we get down out here for real. But yeah, I'm out. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what next I should do. I'm actually thinking about pro charging it. I'm gonna definitely, because 6.4s don't really hold boost well, so of course I'm gonna forge the bottom end. That way I can run more than 6 or 8 pounds. So I'm gonna really push this engine and kind of see what it really can take. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for that.